Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can install SSL certificate into our domain name. For this you need to know two things. One is your domain name, another is your shared IP address. Once your domain is well propagated, you will see the IP address with a check mark. We need to first copy the domain name after updating the name server of your domain. You need to wait at least 24 hours to get propagated totally. So let's go to dnschecker.org and let's paste the domain name. And now make sure it's selected, and let's search. You'll see the IP address within the check mark. Make sure all the location has the same IP address. If you see one or two cross sign, don't worry about it, just make sure all of these are well propagated. I'm searching it again. After searching you see that the cross sign is gone. So if one or two has a problem, just ignore it. So you can see the same IP address which we have in our cPanel. Now we'll search Let's Encrypt. After coming over here in the action section, you will see an option called Issue. I'm gonna click on it. After clicking here, you can see the subdomain mail.purpleflows.com, purpleflow.com, www.purpleflows.com. We all know that these are subdomains. I'm not gonna install SSL certificate in here, so I'm just leaving it, or if you want to install SSL certificate in these domains also, you need to click on this option. But I'm checking it now. And I'm just checking the mail and www, and the primary domain will be checked by default. You can't uncheck it. Let's simply click on Issue. It will take around 1 minute. You can now see success message that the SSL certificate is now installed onto the domain Purple Flows, which means we installed our SSL successfully. Let's go back. And you can see they expired it there. After expiring, you can simply reinstall it as I showed you. Just go back to the cPanel. And you can see a padlock over here. Let's go to the domain name and you can see a padlock. That means your SSL is successfully installed.